Hello everyone, my name is Akash Paul and what you see on your screen is the all-new Hyundai Tucson, which in its 4th generation avatar has come to India and it looks absolutely stunning. And in this video we will be showing you what the vehicle looks like, what the features are, what the engine options are. This is just a quick walk around of the vehicle. A full review will be coming at a later stage, but right now we are sharing all the details we have. There has been no information regarding the price as of now because this is just an unveil event, so prices have not been revealed, but the other specs that we have we will share with you. So let's begin. So let's first talk about the design of this new Hyundai Tucson. This is the 4th gen model and you can see it looks very different from the models that we've had so far in India, and that's primarily because of the adoption of this new European design scheme. This is the version that's available internationally, and we saw something similar with the i20 as well, where Hyundai brought the international design to India as well. And the biggest thing about the design, the biggest highlight of this design is the front. You can see this very bold parametric grille, this dark grille, and also this unique headlamp design. And it's got LED DRLs obviously. At the side, if you see, it has got these large 18-inch alloy wheels that look pretty neat, and these are a little simpler compared to the other designs we've seen from Hyundai and other manufacturers, but nonetheless they look good. It's got a very muscular design. You can see these very sharp and prominent lines from the front going to the back as well, so that gives it a very nice and sharp look, and it goes with the design that was seen at the front as well. And this, you can see, is the back of the new Tucson, and you have this lovely connected tail lamp at the back, which is becoming very common these days, so I hope the charm does not fade off. But in this one you definitely have these tooth-like designs, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right, which give this, like I said, a very aggressive and a very sharp look, just like the front. Also at the back, I want to show you this Hyundai logo, which is not like your conventional logos, and it's not 3D, it's actually within the glass, and you can see that it's completely flat from this angle. Also, the rear windshield wiper is actually hidden underneath the roof mounted spoiler, which is again a neat little design choice. So all around, this vehicle looks very imposing, and there is a reason for that as well, because this is the longest vehicle in its segment. It's about 4.6 meters long, and even the wheelbase is the longest at 2755 mm. So that means there is a lot of room inside. In fact, Hyundai is claiming that this has class leading second row space, which we will show you in just a second. And now we are finally inside the new Hyundai Tucson, and you can see it gets a dual tone interior which looks nice and roomy. At the center is a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Just below that you get your dual zone climate controls, and all these controls that you see are touch enabled. There are no physical buttons, and I have sort of mixed feelings regarding that. But apart from that, you also get a 10.25-inch digital multi-information display, which can change its look depending on the mode that you are driving in. The steering wheel also has steering mounted controls, as you would expect. Now further down you can see there are 2 USB charging slots, and there is also a wireless charging pad for smartphones, and there is some storage space underneath the armrest as well. Altogether, this is a roomy cabin, plus the seats that you see, the front seats, also get ventilation and heating function, so that is good. The driver side seat also has a memory function, which means that you can store your favorite driving position and instantly access it with the touch of a button. On the passenger side, you have this walk-in feature which allows the people in the second row to change the position of the passenger side front seat using these buttons that you see. So that is also a good, cool feature. Apart from this, you have the new AC vents, which have this diffuser technology to disperse the air in a nice and gentle fashion and also keep the cabin cool. Since this is a Hyundai vehicle, it also gets a host of connected features plus voice commands. It also supports offline voice commands, so that means there are certain commands that you can use even if your car is not connected to the internet, and they will still work. And this is the second row of the new Hyundai Tucson, and as you can see, it has plenty of space and the rear seats can be reclined, so that is great for long journeys and for your comfort quotient. Obviously you have rear AC vents and USB charging slots as well. So you can see there are two of those. In the doors as well you have space for keeping water bottles, and there is a large panoramic sunroof as well. So now let's talk about the engine options available with the new Tucson, and Hyundai is offering both a petrol and a diesel engine option. Both are 2-liter units, and the petrol engine is the one that we've also seen in the Alcazar, and it's a 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine which makes about 154 bhp and about 192 newton meters of peak torque. It's only available with a 6-speed automatic, and even the diesel is available only with an automatic option, but that is an 8-speed unit, and that diesel engine is good for about 183 bhp and 416 newton meters of torque. Now this vehicle, like I mentioned, has ADAS, it has level 2 autonomous driving capabilities, but it also comes with multiple terrain modes including snow, mud and sand. As I mentioned before, this is the first Hyundai vehicle in India to come with advanced driver assistance systems, also known as ADAS. This makes the car smarter and safer than most of the other vehicles on the road right now. Hyundai is calling this suite of features Smart Sense, and you get things like smart cruise control, high beam assist, blind spot view monitor, forward collision warning, forward collision avoidance, lane departure warning, driver attention warning, and more. It also comes with a lot of conventional safety features like 6 airbags, front and rear parking sensors, ESC and hill descent control. We will be talking a lot more about the ADAS features in an upcoming video, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to this space for that video. For now, this is a quick look at the new Hyundai Tucson. What do you think of the design of this new version? Do let us know in the comments below, and hit that like button if you like the content. This is Akash Paul signing off for now. I will see you again next time. Bye bye.